Hey guys, it's me, Shay, and today I'm going to be reviewing contacts. So today I'm going to be reviewing this eye contact company called TTDEYE eye contacts. Alright, so the box comes like this, and I'm going to show you what's in it. So this is what it looks like in the box. This is the logo. It has like some glitter stuff and whatever. I just got a mail today, by the way. And the 3 contact cases with the suction cup looking thing and the tweezer for the eye contacts and the contacts. So I'm gonna actually open it. Alright, so I'm gonna take out my sister's and put hers away because that's hers. Alright, so the packaging looks like this. The contacts are in these. So pretty. And it comes in a case like these. This is what the contacts come in. So I already put the contacts in the case already and labeled it so I won't get confused. So the colors I got was Polar Lights brown and gray. And I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is confetti or what. I'm gonna open it. The packaging comes with confetti in it. I opened the package and then the confetti just exploded all over me in the car. And it comes with these stickers. It looks super fake. Dang, I don't know what this is for. But yeah, so let's actually try it on the contacts. I'm gonna open this. This is how it looks in the inside. The first color I'm gonna try on is Polar Lights brown. I'm gonna put these in. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Very pretty. It's really pretty. It looks really natural. Alright, I'm gonna put in the other contact. Alright. So I look very scary right now. I have to pose and like. So this is how it look with both of them in. Look very natural. It covers up most of the brown in my eye. Alright, I'm about to pop in the gray if I can find it. It's it touched the thing.
You have extra eyelashes?
No.
Oh yeah, I already asked you that.
So this is how it look in my eye. If I wanted to do like a different look, I think with my natural hair out, it'd probably look way better like this look. Cause with dark hair and like really bright eyes, it looks really scary.
I look scared. It's far away.
Yeah. If you hear a baby crying in the background, it's my nephew. He's brand new. Fresh out the womb, you heard? So this is how it look with both of them in. Pretty scary. The packaging is really pretty, actually. I like it. Pink, I like pink. Alright, let me take this out. It's scaring me. Alright, so I'm gonna rate the products. So the packaging, I'm gonna rate it through 1 through 5. So the packaging, I give it a 5. It's really pretty. It's really nice. The contacts, I give it a 5-star too. Now the stuff that come, oh, I didn't know this is, I think this is the thing that they were talking about, the mirror. I forgot about this, y'all.
Oh, it's that mirror that's zooming out.
Yeah, no, it don't zoom in, it's like a regular mirror. Everything, I give it a 5. Now the stickers and stuff, I give it like a 2 because who really needs this? I'll give it to like one of the kids or something. But otherwise, I like it, I love it. I think I'm gonna be wearing this for a long time, and yeah. So this is the end of my video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you like it. Comment and what you want to see next. Oh, do you want to see a wig review? Do you want a makeup tutorial? Oh, and I got a special video coming out very soon, so stay tuned and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell if you want to get notified when I post.